Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're like me, your phone is probably always dying and you never want to be caught dead with a dead phone. So that's why you're going to need this mini portable charger from iWALK. Look how mini this thing is. It's the number one reason why I love this is because of how small and compact it is. It's going to work for all your different iPhones, and guess what? Cable is built in right there. Like, you don't need any of these extra cables. You don't need to remember any sort of cords. All you need to do is remember to pack your little mini portable charger. On the side here, it has a little button and it will tell you how charged your portable charger is. The only cable it has is to be able to recharge your portable charger. Otherwise, on the go, all you need to remember is this. You might be wondering, how small is this portable charger? Look at it compared to a lipstick. Pretty much the same size, and that's impressive. This is what it looks like next to my keys. So again, this is not going to take up extra space. And so when you are carrying, you can fit this in a small purse, and I can even put this in my coat pocket. So wherever you are, whether you're going out for the day or you're at work or outside, having something that fits into your pocket, having something that fits into your purse that doesn't weigh it down. There's a lot of portable chargers that are great, but they involve cables or they're bulky. So this is going to be good just for your normal everyday use of needing something that's quick and effective, that's going to charge your phone, that's not going to take up a lot of space. Easily going to be when you're walking out the door, you grab the one thing and you are set. This is an awesome portable charger for any of your iPhones to make sure that your phone is always functional. And that's my point of view.